Quadratic functions have three forms. The first one is the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. And standard form will give us key features such as the y-intercept located at 0, c, and also gives us concavity depending on a value. The second form is factored form, a quantity x minus r sub 1 times quantity x minus r sub 2. It will give us the key features x-intercept at r sub 1, 0 and r sub 2, 0. It will also give us the concavity that is depending on a value. And the last form is the vertex form, a quantity x minus h squared plus k. Vertex form will give us the vertex, which is located at hk, and the axis of symmetry at x equals to h, and also concavity that will be depending on a value. So let us have this example. What are we going to do is to find out what form of equation are they and what are the key features that will be given. So let us have negative 2x squared plus x minus 8. So given this equation, we found out that this is a standard form. Next, we are going to find out the key features. So according to our discussion earlier, the key features will be the y-intercept, and whatever the given constant in our equation, that will be our y-intercept. So definitely our y-intercept here will be located at 0 and negative 8. So concavity, our a value is negative 2. Definitely, it means it is opens downward. So let us have the second example. Negative 7 times quantity x minus 6 times quantity x plus 2. So basically, this is a factored form. And the key features will be the location of x-intercepts. So our x value will be at negative or positive 6, 0, and negative 2, 0. So take note that when you're getting the values of x-intercepts, what will happen to our sign will become the opposite. So from negative 6, it will become positive 6, and from positive 2, it will become negative 2 paired with 0 because it is located on the x-axis. And then our concavity, our a value is negative 7, so that is why this is also opens downward. And the last example is 2 quantity x plus 2 squared minus 7. So definitely this is the vertex form. Let us find out the location of the vertex. So our vertex will be located at positive 2. It will become negative 2. And our y will be at negative 7. Our axis of symmetry will be x equals whatever the x value that we have for the vertex, because axis of symmetry is a line that will divide our parabola into two equal parts. And our concavity, our a value is positive 2, so that is why it will be opens upward. So those are the forms of quadratic function: standard form, factored form, and vertex form, together with their key features.